There we go. Got us a link in there. Oh yeah. Gotta check out the Firebird, guys. Gotta check out the 67 Firebird. Whoop, 68. Why do I get them mixed up? I should know, man, by the marking lights. That's a big giveaway. 68 put marker lights in their fenders right here. 67 didn't. Also, I mean 60. Yeah, maybe it's behind. How is that? Am I right on that, guys? You guys tell me. You guys tell me. The true car guys are the one that watches my show with all the info that help me change the number a year. I grab on a title. So don't think I'm like, oh, that's got to